So the type of surgical procedures we offer here are the latest techniques for any form of spine surgery from the skull down. So we focus on cervical, thoracic, and lumbar spine. We are up to date in all the latest technologies and surgical techniques. So all of our procedures are the most high-tech and the latest and the greatest.
My belief is that surgical indications, they vary once a patient has failed non-operative treatment, including physical therapy, including modalities such as acupuncture, but most importantly, identifying a problem that can be corrected within my abilities. That's the appropriate surgical candidate.
We are at the forefront of spine surgery technology, specifically robotic spine surgery. Now, robotic spine surgery is robotic-assisted spine surgery. The surgeon still performs the surgery. Robotics is a guidance system. So robotics allows us to perform the same procedures we had always done in a safer, more precise way, what allows us to do the procedures more minimally invasive with less blood loss and less pain medication requirements.
It is completely normal, and I will tell every patient that, to be afraid, to be anxious, to be concerned about having a spinal operation. What I tell them is that the overall risk is really pretty low to have a spinal procedure done. With today's technologies, we have really cut the risk down, dramatically.
We at this practice have tried to develop a system to try to lower the anxiety as much as possible. We'll hold the patient's hand through the whole process. People always have questions right before. I always tell my patients to write down their questions so they don't forget, because I want to make sure every T is crossed and every I is dotted prior to going in. Spine surgery is a scary thing. And if we can make it a little less scary for the patient, that's our goal.